one of my favorite books of all time. It's about a seagull that really transcends his limits. And there's a great phrase from that, to go to where our goals and our dreams lie, we must be able to transcend the limits of the flock.
Five books that you suggest any entrepreneur should read.
So I'm reading
obviously except for Curveball.
I'm reading right now. It's the Almanac of Naval Ravikant. It's a really good book.
Right.
Yeah. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, one of my favorite books of all time. It's about a seagull that really transcends his limits. And there's a great phrase from that, to go to where our goals and our dreams lie, we must be able to transcend the limits of the flock. So that's a great point if we're trying to go to where our highest potential is, and kind of like for the entrepreneurs that you coach, but to really block out the cynicism, block out like the critics. So that's very, very important.
Hi, Jasper Basson here. I just wanted to remind you about the Daily Entrepreneur Tips series. It's a business growth series for entrepreneurs and contains financial information and also information to grow you as a person and your business, because we will never grow our business any higher than we grow ourselves. So click on the link below and I will send you daily information to grow you as a person and your business, and it's for 365 days of the year.
I loved Perennial Seller by Ryan Holiday, The Art of Making and Marketing Work That Lasts. So I love what he talks about in creating a perennial seller. I'd say Like a Virgin, Richard Branson. I'd say the Steve Jobs biography by Walter Isaacson. I'd say, I'd say those are, I think those are cool five.
I've actually I'm busy with Nelson Mandela's autobiography.
Oh.
It's quite a thick one, and it's like, I think it's probably the same size than Steve Jobs. And just last week I actually got on a second-hand bookshop. I actually got Steve Jobs' autobiography as well. So what's that?
How's the Nelson Mandela one?
It's very good. I must say, especially from South Africans, you grew up in all kinds of, the apartheid era and all kinds of stuff. So it's quite interesting and heartfelt to actually read his life story and how he grew up and all the struggles he had.